In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the more advanced style of an inverted row on a TRX. So I covered the bent knee version, which is the easier version of this exercise, and now we're going to be doing a heel on the floor only TRX inverted row. So what I want you to do firstly is wherever you've got the TRX suspended from, you're going to lay down underneath that TRX. Okay, so bring yourself center on. Now what I want you to do is have your hands and your arms extended away from your body. If you can grab onto the TRX and it's a nice comfortable height, you know you're in the right position with the handles. If you're here and you're bent at all with the arms, you're in the wrong position. And if you're really having to reach up and grab the handles, you're in the wrong position as well. So as soon as you've got the right position, what you're going to do is you're going to extend the legs, so make them nice and straight. And what I want you to think of is when you're coming into the row, try and get the whole of your body moving up in one block. So as opposed to rowing up and then the lower body coming up, everything's going to try and come up in the same simultaneous line. So from here, you're going to come up and back down, up and back down. Now the only thing that you're thinking of when you're coming up is squeezing and retracting the shoulder blades, as well as bringing the hips up to create a nice diagonal neutral line. So one more time, palms are facing each other. I bring my elbows in an end position where they're against my rib cage, and I'm bringing my hips up. My heels are the only thing that's in contact with the floor as soon as I lift up off the ground. Once you come back, try to lower under control and repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.